Do you know many people are having trouble with taking screenshots on their Galaxy Tab A7 Lite? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find buttons. Locate the side button and the volume down button on your tablet's edges. Step 2. Hold buttons. Press and hold both the side button and the volume down button briefly. Step 3. See flash. Watch the screen flash as a confirmation that the screenshot is taken. Step 4. Open Gallery. Swipe up to access the app screen and open the Gallery app. Step 5. View Screenshot. Navigate to the Screenshots album in the Gallery app to view your screenshot. Now, you should be able to easily capture and view screenshots on your tablet. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.